How to use cloth simulation in Blender. First of all, open your Blender project and select the object you want to turn into cloth. Make sure it's a mesh object like a plane or a piece of fabric. Next, go to the Physics Properties tab and click on Cloth to add cloth simulation to your selected object. After that, adjust the cloth settings such as quality, mass, and stiffness to control how the fabric behaves. For example, increase the quality to make the simulation smoother and more realistic. Now, to interact with the cloth, add collision objects like a character or a solid surface by selecting them and enabling collision in the Physics Properties. Once everything is set, press the play button or scrub through the timeline to see how the cloth reacts to gravity and collisions. If needed, tweak the settings or pin certain pieces to fix parts of the cloth in place for more control. Finally, bake the simulation for better performance and to save the animation so it plays smoothly during rendering. Now you know how to use cloth simulation in Blender. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.